Has your lock been giving you trouble lately? Instead of calling a locksmith, why not try to repair it yourself? With just a few simple steps, you can have your lock working like new in no time. Hey there! Before we dive into today's topic, if you're interested in mastering the art of lock repair, be sure to check out our video on the best tools for repairing locks. Equipped with the right tools and know-how, you'll be well prepared to tackle any lock-related issue that comes your way. Now that you've gathered your tools and are ready to tackle the task, let's delve into the step-by-step process of lock repair. Start by examining the lock to identify the issue. Is the key getting stuck, or is the lock not turning smoothly? Understanding the problem will guide your repair process. Carefully unscrew the lock from the door using a screwdriver. Once removed, place it on a clean, flat surface where you can easily work on it. Gently disassemble the lock, taking note of the arrangement of each part. Be sure to keep track of screws and small components to avoid losing them. Using a lubricant, such as WD-40, spray the inside of the lock to remove any dirt or grime. Use a cotton swab to reach into tight spaces and ensure thorough cleaning. Check each component of the lock for signs of wear or damage. Look for bent springs, broken pins, or any other issues that may be causing the malfunction. If you find any damaged parts, replace them with new ones. Most hardware stores carry a variety of replacement parts for common lock types. Carefully reassemble the lock, ensuring that each part is fitted back in its original position. Tighten screws securely but avoid over-tightening, as it may strip the threads. Once reassembled, test the lock with the key to ensure it operates smoothly. Turn the key in both directions to verify that the lock engages and disengages correctly. With the repair complete, reinstall the lock back onto the door using the screws you removed earlier. Make sure the lock is aligned properly before tightening the screws. Give the lock a final inspection to confirm that it's working correctly. If everything looks good, pat yourself on the back for a job well done. Remember, while DIY lock repair can be a cost-effective solution for minor issues, some problems may require professional intervention. If you encounter difficulties or the lock remains faulty after your repair attempts, don't hesitate to seek the expertise of a qualified locksmith.